Why spare me?
I told you. There's everything I have. Well, my time is almost up. We should leave.
But aren't you worried
I thought you were the spirit pearl! I'm the demon pill and I'm braver than you! Don't be such a baby!
I'm a monster. When I was born, I was...
You're not listening! Your fate's what you want it to be! No one else gets to decide what you are! My father taught that to me! If fate comes at you swinging, then you hit back! You're sacrificing yourself for nothing! You number one!
Of course I am! I'm your friend after all!